Question 1. Which of the following is true regarding the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act? HIPAA. A. HIPAA allows health insurers to deny coverage for pre-existing conditions regardless of the applicant's health status. B. HIPAA ensures the privacy and security of individuals' health information and sets standards for electronic healthcare transactions. C. HIPAA requires all healthcare providers to offer insurance coverage to employees under all circumstances, regardless of their health condition. D. HIPAA mandates that health insurers provide coverage for mental health services without any exclusions or limitations. Answer. B. HIPAA ensures the privacy and security of individuals' health information and sets standards for electronic healthcare transactions. Explanation. HIPAA Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act is a federal law aimed at improving the efficiency and effectiveness of the healthcare system. It primarily addresses the privacy and security of healthcare information and establishes standards for electronic healthcare transactions. HIPAA does not require insurers to cover pre-existing conditions or mental health services directly. The law focuses on the protection of sensitive health data, ensuring it is not disclosed without patient consent, and setting regulations for electronic health records. Question 2. Mr. Allen is considering enrolling in a health insurance plan offered through his employer. The plan provides coverage for services rendered by network providers, and he must obtain a referral from his primary care physician before seeing a specialist. Based on this, which type of plan is Mr. Allen likely considering? A. Preferred Provider Organization, PPO. B. Exclusive Provider Organization, EPO. C. Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. D. Point of Service, POS. Answer. C. Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. Explanation. Mr. Allen's plan is most likely a Health Maintenance Organization (HMO) plan. HMO plans are characterized by requiring members to choose a primary care physician (PCP) and obtain referrals from that PCP before seeing a specialist. These plans typically have a network of providers, and using non-network providers often results in higher out-of-pocket costs or no coverage at all. PPO plans, on the other hand, do not require referrals, and EPO plans limit coverage to network providers without referrals. POS plans allow more flexibility and provider choice, but still require referrals from the PCP for specialists. Question 3, scenario-based. Sarah is a self-employed individual in California who is looking for individual health insurance. She recently moved to California from out of state and is applying for a health insurance plan through the state's health insurance marketplace. When considering the options, what is Sarah most likely to qualify for? Based on her residency status and income. A. COBRA coverage through her previous employer. B. California Medi-Cal. C. Coverage under her spouse's employer-sponsored plan. D. A health insurance plan through Covered California. Answer. D. A health insurance plan through Covered California. Explanation. Sarah, being a self-employed individual and residing in California, is most likely to apply for health insurance through Covered California, the state's health insurance marketplace. Covered California offers individual plans to residents and provides subsidies based on income. COBRA coverage applies to individuals who have recently left an employer, which is irrelevant in Sarah's situation as she is self-employed. Medi-Cal is for low-income individuals, but without details about Sarah's income level, we cannot assume she qualifies. If Sarah were married and her spouse offered employer-sponsored health insurance, she could potentially be covered under that, but it's not her first option. Therefore, Covered California is the most likely choice for her health insurance needs. Question 4. Which of the following is a requirement under the Affordable Care Act account for health insurance policies in California? A. Health insurers must cover pre-existing conditions without exclusion or higher premiums. B. Health insurers can charge higher premiums based on the applicant's health history. C. Health insurers can refuse coverage to individuals based on their health status. D. Health insurers are not required to cover essential health benefits under the account. Answer. A. Health insurers must cover pre-existing conditions without exclusion or higher premiums. Explanation. The Affordable Care Act account prohibits health insurers from denying coverage or charging higher premiums based on pre-existing conditions. This was a major change from prior regulations where insurers could refuse to cover or charge higher premiums to individuals with certain medical conditions. Additionally, the ACA mandates coverage for essential health benefits such as emergency services, maternity care, and mental health services. Insurers cannot refuse coverage based on health status, and premiums are not determined by an individual's health history. Question 5. Which of the following is a primary characteristic of an exclusive provider organization (EPO) health insurance plan? A. Requires a referral from a primary care physician (PCP) to see a specialist. B. Coverage is only provided for services rendered by network providers. C. Members have the freedom to see any specialist without obtaining a referral. D. Offers coverage for both in-network and out-of-network providers, though at different cost levels. Answer: B. Coverage is only provided for services rendered by network providers. Explanation: an exclusive provider organization (EPO) plan is a type of managed care plan that provides coverage only when members use the plan's in-network providers. Unlike PPOS, EPOs do not cover any out-of-network services except in emergencies. Additionally, referrals are not typically required in EPO plans for specialists, but services outside the network are not covered unless there is an emergency. This makes EPO plans more restrictive compared to PPOS and POS plans. Question 6. Mr. Thompson is applying for a group health insurance policy through his employer in California. The policy provides coverage for his spouse and children. What does the term family coverage mean in this context? A. It only covers the employee, not dependents. B. It covers the employee and any dependent family members, such as the spouse or children. C. It allows the employee to add any individual to the policy, regardless of their relationship to the employee. D. It provides coverage only for the employee's immediate family members who live in the same household. Answer: B. It covers the employee and any dependent family members, such as a spouse or children. Explanation: family coverage refers to a health insurance policy that extends coverage not just to the employee, but also to their eligible dependents, such as a spouse, children, and possibly other family members who meet the eligibility criteria. This is a common feature of group health insurance plans offered through employers. The other options do not fully capture the scope of family coverage, which includes dependent family members as outlined by the policy. Question 7. Scenario-based. Maria is considering applying for a health insurance policy through Covered California. She has recently become pregnant and would like to know what type of coverage she should consider to ensure comprehensive care throughout her pregnancy. Which of the following would be the best option for Maria? A. A short-term health insurance plan, as it provides temporary coverage during pregnancy. B. A health maintenance organization, a HMO plan, which provides comprehensive maternity care and a low premium. C. A high deductible help, a ISPA, that offers low premiums but higher out-of-pocket costs for maternity services. D. The catastrophic health insurance plan that only provides essential coverage in emergency situations. Answer: B. A health maintenance organization, HMO plan, which provides comprehensive maternity care and a low premium. Explanation: for pregnant individuals, comprehensive maternity coverage is critical to ensure proper prenatal delivery and postnatal care. A HMO plan typically provides well-rounded coverage, including maternity services, with lower premiums compared to other types of plans. While short-term plans may not cover pregnancy or maternity services, high-deductible health plans have high out-of-pocket costs that could be difficult to manage during pregnancy. Catastrophic plans provide very limited coverage, typically only covering emergency situations, so they are not suitable for ongoing maternity care. Question 8. Which of the following is an example of an essential health benefit that must be covered by all ACA-compliant health insurance plans? A. Cosmetic surgery procedures for adults. B. Mental health and substance use disorder services. C. Fertility treatments for all individuals. D. Chiropractic services for chronic conditions. Answer: B. Mental health and substance use disorder services. Explanation: under the Affordable Care Act, certain essential health benefits must be covered by all health insurance plans that are ACA compliant. These essential benefits include services like mental health and substance use disorder services, and maternity and newborn care, and preventive and wellness services. Cosmetic surgery is not a mandated benefit, and fertility treatments are typically not covered unless specified under the plan or as part of state-mandated benefits. Chiropractic services are not universally required but may be included depending on the plan. Question 9. Which of the following is true regarding the role of the California Department of Insurance, CDI, in regulating health insurance in the state? A. The CDI provides health insurance to low-income residents through the Medi-Cal program. B. The CEI sets premiums for health insurance plans sold in the state. C. The CDI oversees the licensure of health insurance agents and brokers. D. The CDI is responsible for administering the account marketplace, covered California. Answer: C. The CDI oversees the licensure of health insurance agents and brokers. Explanation: the California Department of Insurance, CDI, plays a crucial role in regulating the insurance market in the state, including overseeing the licensure of health insurance agents and brokers. The CDI does not directly set premiums for health insurance plans. Instead, it ensures that the rates charged by insurers are filed appropriately and comply with state regulations. While Medi-Cal is a state-run program, it is administered by the California Department of Healthcare Services, not the CDI. The other California's Care Marketplace is also managed separately by a distinct state entity. Question 10. Which of the following is a key provision of California's mental health parity law? A. It mandates that all health insurance policies must provide equal coverage for physical and mental health treatments. B. It requires all mental health services to be provided at no cost to the patient. C. It ensures that coverage for mental health treatments is capped at 50% of the total insurance benefits. D. It allows insurers to deny mental health treatment coverage for individuals with pre-existing mental health conditions. Answer: A. It mandates that all health insurance policies must provide equal coverage for physical and mental health treatments. Explanation: California's mental health parity law requires that insurance policies provide the same level of coverage for mental health services as they do for physical health treatments. This means insurers cannot impose more restrictive limits on mental health coverage, such as fewer visits or higher copays compared to physical health coverage. The law does not require mental health services to be provided at no cost, nor does it allow pre-existing condition exclusions specifically for mental health conditions. Coverage caps are not allowed under parity laws for mental health care. Question 11. Which of the following statements is true regarding the individual mandate under the Affordable Care Act in California? A. California no longer requires individuals to have health insurance coverage under the account. B. California's individual mandate requires all residents to have health insurance or pay penalty unless exempt. C. The account mandate was repealed in California, and there is no penalty for not having health insurance. D. The individual mandate in California only applies to people over the age of 65. Answer: B. California's individual mandate requires all residents to have health insurance or pay penalty unless exempt. Explanation: California reinstated the individual mandate with the passage of Senate Bill 910, which requires all state residents to have health insurance or face penalty, similar to the federal mandate under the ACA prior to its repeal. There are exemptions, such as financial hardship, religious beliefs, or certain other criteria, but overall, this law aims to encourage broader coverage in the state. Question 12. Which of the following is typically a characteristic of a preferred provider organization PPO plan? A. Requires a referral from a primary care physician to see specialists. B. Provides coverage only for in-network healthcare providers. C. Offers the flexibility to see any provider without requiring a referral. D. Has a higher deductible and lower premium compared to HMO plans. Answer: C. Offers the flexibility to see any provider without requiring a referral. Explanation: a POPN allows members to see specialists and out-of-network providers without needing a referral from a primary care physician. This flexibility is one of the main advantages of PPO plans, though they tend to come with higher premiums and out-of-pocket costs for out-of-network care compared to HMO plans. Question 13. Under California law, which of the following health insurance policies is typically required to offer maternity coverage? A. Short-term health insurance plans. B. High-deductible health plan. C. All ACA-compliant health insurance plans. D. Catastrophic health insurance plans. Correct answer: C. All ACA-compliant health insurance plans. Explanation: under the Affordable Care Act, all health insurance plans sold through Covered California or directly from insurers must offer essential health benefits, including maternity care, to individuals. Short-term health plan at catastrophic plans may have limited or no coverage for maternity services. Question 14. Which of the following is not considered a major medical benefit under most health insurance plans in California? A. Hospital stays for surgery. B. Preventive care services. C. Non-prescription drugs and over-the-counter products. D. Emergency room visits. Answer: C. Non-prescription drugs and over-the-counter products. Explanation: non-prescription drugs and over-the-counter products are generally not covered under most major medical health insurance plans. Major medical insurance covers essential health benefits such as hospital stays, emergency room visits, and preventive care, but over-the-counter medications are usually the responsibility of the policyholder unless specifically included in a prescription drug plan. Question 15. Which of the following is a common eligibility requirement for Medi-Cal California's Medicaid program? A. Applicants must be U.S. citizens or legal permanent residents. B. Applicants must have a minimum income of 150% of the federal poverty level. C. Applicants must be employed and working at least 30 hours per week. D. Applicants must be under the age of 18 or over the age of 65. Answer: A. Applicants must be U.S. citizens or legal permanent residents. Explanation: Medi-Cal is California's Medicaid program which provides low-income individuals with access to healthcare services. One of the main eligibility criteria is that applicants must be U.S. citizens or legal permanent residents. The income level varies and there is no requirement that applicants must be employed, nor does eligibility depend solely on age, but there are additional criteria for children, elderly, or disabled individuals. Question 16. Scenario-based. Tom is 45 years old and is looking for a health insurance policy that provides the flexibility to visit specialists without a referral. Which type of plan would likely meet his needs? State Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. B. Exclusive Provider Organization, EPO. C. Preferred Provider Organization, PPO. D. Point of Service, POS. Answer: C. Preferred Provider Organization, PPO. Explanation: PPOS provide flexibility by allowing members to see specialists without a referral and offering a broader network of providers, while HMO and POS plans generally require referrals for specialist visits. EPOs limit coverage to in-network providers and a referral may be needed for certain services. Question 17. Which of the following statements is true about the Children's Health Insurance Program, CHIP, in California? A. CHIP is designed only for children under the age of 18 who are U.S. citizens. B. CHIP provides healthcare coverage for children from low-income families who do not qualify for Medi-Cal. C. CHIP coverage is available for both adults and children in California. D. CHIP coverage is only available to children who are enrolled in private health insurance plans. Answer: B. CHIP provides healthcare coverage for children from low-income families who do not qualify for Medi-Cal. Explanation: the Children's Health Insurance Program, CHIP, in California, known as Medi-Cal Access Program, provides low-cost health insurance coverage to children from families whose income is too high to qualify for Medi-Cal but too low to afford private health insurance. CHIP does not cover adults and is not limited to U.S. citizens. However, applicants must meet certain income and residency requirements. Question 18. Which of the following statements best describes a high-deductible health plan? Typically have low premiums and high out-of-pocket costs. BCHES are only available to people who are self-employed. As a TCHES offer comprehensive maternity care coverage. DTCHES are primarily used for individuals who are over the age of 65. Answer: HHES typically have low premiums and high out-of-pocket costs. Explanation: high-deductible health plans are characterized by low premiums but higher deductibles and out-of-pocket expenses. They are designed to cover catastrophic events rather than routine care, and they may be paired with health savings accounts, HSAS, to help offset costs. Maternity coverage and other benefits can vary depending on the plan, but they are not the defining features of AHRE. Question 19. Which of the following best describes an accountable care organization? ACO in California's healthcare system. A. ACOs are designed to provide a network of independent healthcare providers without coordination between them. B. ACOs are healthcare networks that emphasize the coordination of care between doctors, hospitals, and other providers to improve quality and reduce costs. C. ACOs only focus on providing emergency care services to uninsured patients. D. ACOs are limited to providing services for individuals over the age of 65. Answer: B. ACOs are healthcare networks that emphasize the coordination of care between doctors, hospitals, and other providers to improve quality and reduce costs. Explanation: an accountable care organization, ACO, is a group of healthcare providers who collaborate to deliver coordinated care to patients, ensuring better outcomes and reducing unnecessary costs. ACOs typically emphasize preventive care and chronic disease management to improve overall health while minimizing duplication of services and hospital readmissions. They are not limited to older individuals or emergency care services. Question 20, scenario-based. Sarah is looking for a health insurance plan in California that will provide coverage for both primary care and specialized services. She prefers a plan that does not require referrals to see specialists. Which type of plan is the best option for Sarah? A. Health maintenance organization, ATEMA. B. Exclusive provider organization, EPO. C. Preferred provider organization, PPO. D. Point of service, POS. Answer: C. Preferred provider organization, PPO. Explanation: a POPN would be the best option for Sarah since it provides the flexibility to visit specialists without requiring a referral, and it covers both primary care and specialized services, unlike an ATEMO, which requires referrals for specialist visits, and an EPO, which limits care to in-network providers. A PO offers more flexibility while still covering comprehensive care. Question 21. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an HMO, health maintenance organization, plan? A. Requires members to choose a primary care physician, PCP, for referrals to specialists. B. Covers both in-network and out-of-network care equally. C. Focuses on preventive care and health management. D. Typically has lower premiums and out-of-pocket costs than PPO plans. Answer: B. Covers both in-network and out-of-network care equally. Explanation: an ATEMO plan typically only covers in-network care except in cases of emergency or other specific circumstances. Out-of-network care is usually not covered unless there is prior approval from the plan. HMOs focus on preventive care and require a primary care physician for referrals to specialists. Question 22. In California, which of the following health plans is designed to provide catastrophic health coverage for individuals under 30 or low-income individuals? A. Platinum plans. B. Bronze plans. C. Silver plans. D. Catastrophic plans. Answer: D. Catastrophic plans. Explanation: catastrophic health plans are designed for people under 30 and low-income individuals who are exempt from other marketplace coverage. They offer low premiums but high deductibles and are intended to protect individuals from very high costs in the event of serious illness or injury. Question 23, scenario-based. Emily is a 60-year-old woman who wants to sign up for a health plan through Covered California, but is concerned about the affordability of her premiums. Which of the following programs could help her reduce her premium costs? A. The Medi-Cal program. B. The Child Health Insurance Program, CHIP. C. The Affordable Care Act's Premium Tax Credit. D. The Senior Health Subsidy Program. Answer: C. The Affordable Care Act's Premium Tax Credit. Explanation: the Affordable Care Act's Premium Tax Credit is available to individuals who qualify based on their income and household size. It is designed to help reduce premium costs for those purchasing insurance through the marketplace Covered California, particularly those who are not eligible for Medi-Cal but still need assistance affording coverage. Question 24. Which of the following is a key feature of a high deductible help? A. Low deductibles and high premiums. B. High deductibles and low premiums. C. Coverage limited to preventative care services. D. Requires a primary care physician for specialist referrals. Answer: B. High deductibles and low premiums. Explanation: a high deductible help HHP is designed to have a high deductible and low monthly premiums compared to traditional health insurance plans. This structure often makes it appealing to individuals who want to save on premiums but are willing to assume more financial responsibility for healthcare expenses before the insurance coverage kicks in. Question 25. Which of the following is covered under California's Medi-Cal program? A. Cosmetic surgery for aesthetic purposes. B. Long-term care for eligible individuals. C. Non-prescription medical equipment. D. Private room accommodations in hospitals. Answer: B. Long-term care for eligible individuals. Explanation: Medi-Cal provides coverage for a wide range of health services, including long-term care for eligible individuals. It does not typically cover non-essential treatments like cosmetic surgery or services outside the necessary medical care criteria, such as non-prescription medical equipment or private room accommodations in hospitals. Question 26, scenario-based. John is a California resident who earns $30,000 a year and is looking for health insurance coverage. He is unsure about whether he qualifies for Medi-Cal or needs to purchase insurance through Covered California. What should John do to determine his eligibility for Medi-Cal? A. Wait until he files his taxes and see if he qualifies based on his income. B. He can automatically get Medi-Cal because of his income. C. Visit Covered California's website to check his eligibility for Medi-Cal. D. Sign up for plan under Covered California and see if Medi-Cal contacts him. Answer: C. Visit Covered California's website to check his eligibility for Medi-Cal. Explanation: California residents can check their eligibility for Medi-Cal through Covered California's website. Medi-Cal is available for low-income individuals and families, and eligibility is based on income, family size, and other factors. It is best to check the website to confirm whether John qualifies for Medi-Cal or should purchase insurance through Covered California. Question 27. Which of the following best describes the purpose of an emergency medical transportation EMT benefit under health insurance plans? A. To cover the cost of non-emergency transportation services like taxis. B. To cover the cost of ambulance services for emergency situations. C. To pay for travel expenses associated with out-of-state healthcare services. D. To provide transportation for patients to scheduled medical appointments. Answer: B. To cover the costs of ambulance services for emergency situations. Explanation: the Emergency Medical Transportation EMT benefit covers the cost of ambulance services when a person needs urgent medical care and cannot transport themselves safely to the hospital. This coverage is typically part of many health insurance plans, ensuring that individuals can receive care when an emergency arises. Question 20. What is the primary benefit of a health savings account (HSA) for individuals with a high deductible health pay? The HSA can only be used for medical expenses incurred while under the THP coverage. B. The HSA allows individuals to set aside pre-tax money to pay for medical expenses. C. The HSA offers a guaranteed payout for health-related expenses each year. D. The HSA can only be used to pay for emergency care expenses. Answer: B. The HSA allows individuals to set aside pre-tax money to pay for medical expenses. Explanation: a health savings account (HSA) is a tax-advantaged account that allows individuals to save pre-tax money to cover medical expenses, which can include both current and future health-related costs. The funds roll over each year and can be used for a wide range of qualified medical expenses. Question 29. Which of the following is a requirement for an individual to qualify for Medi-Cal in California? A. Being a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident. B. Being enrolled in a private health insurance plan. C. Having a minimum income of $100,000 per year. D. Being diagnosed with a chronic health condition. Answer A. Being a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident. Explanation: to qualify for Medi-Cal in California, individuals must be U.S. citizens or legal permanent residents. Eligibility is based on various factors, including income and family size, but citizenship or legal residency status is a primary requirement for participation in the Medi-Cal program. Question 30, scenario-based. Sophie is 25 years old and in good health. She's looking for an affordable health plan that primarily protects her from major medical expenses. What type of plan would likely be the best fit for her? A. Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. B. Bronze Plan through Covered California. C. Platinum Plan. D. Medi-Cal. Answer: B. Bronze Plan through Covered California. Explanation: a bronze plan provides coverage for major medical expenses while keeping monthly premiums low. Sophie, being in good health and seeking affordable coverage, would likely benefit from a bronze plan, which is specifically designed for individuals who are primarily interested in protection against catastrophic events rather than everyday healthcare costs.